Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel, my technological world. Today we're gonna talk about Samsung Galaxy S10. Let's have a look. The new design will purportedly allow Samsung to shape the bezels around the display and squeeze a large screen into a handset with the same physical dimensions. As a result, the Galaxy S10 is widely tipped to boast 6.2-inch AMOLED display, some 0.4-inch larger than its procedure. Like the Galaxy S10e, the Galaxy S10 will be powered by the Qualcomm SnapDragon 855 processor or Exynos 9820 depending on market. However, unlike the former, the Galaxy S10 will have 6GB of RAM. Samsung will also offer large storage configuration, which is the Galaxy S10 compared to the Galaxy S10e. There will purportedly be 128GB and 256GB configuration available on the Samsung S10 model, although both these can be expanded via micro SD card. 91 Mobile says the Galaxy S10 pricing comes strategized from a Samsung distributor. It's a strange decision from the Samsung, given Apple CEO Tim Cook recently admitted iPhone pricing had become too high and the company was rethinking its strategy. So if we discuss about Samsung Galaxy S10 battery, it is expected that the Galaxy S10 will get a 500 mAh increase from the Galaxy S9 to 35 mAh, while the Galaxy S10 Plus will also jump 500 mAh to Galaxy Note 9 matching 4000 mAh. It is one of the largest lasting smartphones you can buy. Meanwhile, charging speed are being boosted thanks to an increase in power from 15 watt up to 22.5 watt. Samsung Galaxy S10 will also boost an additional 13 megapixel f/2.4 telephoto lens with OIS and a 45-degree field of view. This will help with the depth sensing abilities and allow for more accurate bokeh style blur in background or live focus photograph. And the new software features, including bright and night and portrait lighting, will purportedly to be added the Samsung camera app too. Galaxy S10 looks set to regulate the fingerprint sensor from the power button, where it will be found on the entry-level Galaxy S10e, and embed the biometric sensor beneath the edge-to-edge display. The entire Galaxy S10 range as well as the Samsung Galaxy X will be unveiled during the latest Galaxy Unpacked events, which will be held on Wednesday, February 20, 2019 in London and San Francisco. 6.2-inch Samsung Galaxy S10 with 128GB of storage, it's expected £799. 6.2-inch Samsung Galaxy S10 with 512GB of storage, it's expected £999. For the Galaxy S10, the leaked UK launch price has increased by 8.12% over the Galaxy S9 launch price. For the Galaxy S10 Plus, the leaked UK launch price has increased by 3.45% over the Galaxy S9 Plus launch price. Apply those price increase to US launch prices of the S9 and S9 Plus, $720 and $840 respectively, and you will get the best possible indication as to what you might be paying for the entry-level Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus when they launch next February. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the fresh news regarding Samsung Galaxy S10. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, My Technological World. And peace out. Take care. Bye bye.